There's one thing the Australian trucking industry does, and does very, very well, better than any other industry in Australia. When times are tough, we stand up. We stand up for our mates, we stand up for the people that we know, we stand up for the people that we don't know, and we stand up together, and we make a demonstrable difference to people having a challenging time.
I really don't think I did anything special on that night on the Hume Highway. A fellow trucker was in need of help, and I was able to help him.
I really am committed to the TMC, and I'm committed to this event, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Mr. Tony White, the drivers, Erkberg, Bob Polish and Gold.
Set goals in place, build a team around you and plan on a daily basis to make sure you're learning but you're positive and you're moving forward. Everyone can have a massive dream and go out there and chase it with a big smile on their face 7 days a week.